Hi, thanks for joining. This is a quick practice for shoulder and neck pain relief. I'm Apsara and I'm going to be taking you through this wonderful flow for you to feel more at ease in your neck and the shoulders. A lot of you might have tightness in the shoulders and the neck, and this goes hand in hand, the neck and the shoulders. Firstly, they're close together as you can see, and they're very closely linked in terms of the pain that they might give you because of that connection. So releasing through your neck is going to benefit the shoulder and vice versa. So some of you might be sitting a lot during the day with that slouched posture, and this is going to affect your shoulders. And also you have the forward head situation where your head is constantly going like this, and that's going to affect the neck. Even for women, if you've just given birth, if you're constantly carrying your baby around all the time, that's going to give you some shoulder pain as well, and this is perfect for you. So we are going to start off standing like this. Just a few quick neck movements, okay? Hands on the hip. Close your eyes. First, just take a deep breath to center yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes, look at one point. Inhale, head up. Exhale, take your chin to your chest, just to your maximum range of motion. 2 more times. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. 1 more time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Okay? Now look forward. Inhale, turn and see right side over the right shoulder. Exhale, center. Inhale, left side over left shoulder. Center, right side. Center, left side. Center, 1 more time right side, center, 1 more time left side, center. Perfect. Lateral, take your right ear to right shoulder. Don't lift the shoulder up, just take your ear towards the shoulder and experience the left side of the neck and shoulder getting a nice easy stretch. And if you want to deepen this a little, you can extend through your left arm. Kind of take your arm down a bit and experience what you feel there. Tractioning the left side of the neck. Breathe easy. And then hands on the hip. Lift your head back up, change, we'll go to the other side. So slowly dropping your left ear down towards the left shoulder. First holding it there for a few moments on its own. Feeling that nice, easy release through the right side of the neck and the shoulder. And then you can extend your right arm out to the side, gently taking your hand a little down, deepening the stretch on the right side of the neck. Breathe into it, don't force, just experience. Now bring the hands to the hip, come back up. We're going to take 3 head circles. Drop your chin down towards the chest or rotate along the axis. So bring your right ear to right shoulder. Look up to the sky. Left ear to left shoulder. Bring it back down. 2 more times. At your own pace. I'm not counting because I want you to move at your own pace where it feels comfortable for you to take these nice rotations. And then we're going to do 3 times in the opposite side. So we go left, up, right, down. At your own pace, keep it going. Open out the neck, the head. 1 more time like this. Okay, back to center, change. Let's just do a few circles with the shoulders. Up, back, down, forward. Up, back, down, forward. 1 more time and change the direction. Back, up, forward, down. 2 more times, lubricating the shoulder joint. Back to center. Good. From here, let's face the wall. We're going to take our hands up the wall for a nice shoulder stretch. So spread your fingers nice and wide. You can keep the hands about shoulder distance apart. Walk your legs a few steps back and keep looking at the wall here. So don't look at the floor for this one. As you exhale, start to melt your chest a little bit forward in the direction of the wall and start to feel your shoulders getting a nice release. And we're also opening the throat because we're looking forward. So just breathe into it, holding it there for 1. Use your breath to kind of relax the muscles. 2, 3, feels so nice to have that release through the shoulders. 4, 5, all right. Start to walk your feet back closer to the wall. We're going to deepen this a little bit for those of you that can, those of you who want to experience a deeper stretch through the shoulder. You're going to bring your elbows to the wall now, okay? Walk your legs 1 or 2 steps back and just cup your face. One more time, bringing your chest in the direction of the wall. Now, if this is too much for your neck, it does not feel good at all for you, then you can hold your head and just melt your chest down so you're feeling it in the shoulders a lot. Okay, if you're adding the neck, you're going to cup your face, walk your legs a few steps back, lifting the chest, moving in the direction of the wall. It's quite intense. Breathe into it and then slowly coming out of the position. Okay, release your hands, total relaxation for a moment. Let's do one more movement for the shoulders. So you're going to extend your right hand. You're going to keep it on the wall like this, okay? It is placed in this way, so the fingers are pointing towards you right now. We're going to start off by facing the wall, and then as you exhale, start to walk your body towards the left side, right where you're able to feel a very deep opening through the right shoulder and the upper arm. I feel that pretty strongly right now as well. You can turn your neck to look towards the left side, holding it there for 3, for 2, 1. All right, back to center, change. Keep your left hand on the wall, the fingers pointing back. Start off by facing the chest towards the wall and make sure your elbow is also extended fully. Then as you exhale, let's just walk ourselves, open our chest towards this side, right where we really feel it in the upper arm and the shoulder. It's quite intense, so you don't have to have turned as much as I did. Even a little movement like this is going to make you feel it. If it's tight, you're going to feel it here as well. So please choose a place that's appropriate for today. And you can turn your head to look over the right shoulder, holding it there, breathing a lot for 3, for 2, 1. Okay, come out of the position, and then from there, let's just roll through the shoulders once, relax. Then inhale, raise both your hands up, interlock your fingers, palms facing up. Take a nice full body stretch. If it feels comfortable for you, open your throat and look up at the hands. Let's stay there for 3. Imagine you are being pulled from on top. For 2, 1. Look forward, release your hands, interlock your fingers behind you, move your hands a little bit away from the body as you feel. Separate your feet hip distance, okay? So as you feel your shoulders opening, keep your spine relatively neutral, but feel your chest opening in the position. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. And that's it. You're done. Thank you all for joining. I do hope you get some relief from this, from your shoulders and the neck. Remember, consistency is the key. So you have to keep at it regularly to really reap the benefits. Okay? So thank you. I'll see you next time.